Hello, in this presentation we're going to go over photogrammetry and LiDAR and why you may want to choose our LiDAR services over typical photogrammetry. My name is David Carlos and I've been doing LiDAR and photogrammetry work for the last 10 years all over Victoria, BC and Vancouver Island. Typical off-the-shelf drones can do photogrammetry to some extent or another, but what we have found in our past experience is that distortions and floaters are often presented in end-use data and need to be cleaned up and processed using third-party software and additional programs to try to clean it up. Other times you may have distortion so bad that the data is absolutely unusable, even though at first glance the picture may seem okay. Another problem with photogrammetry is lighting must be ideal. We have found that overexposure on really sunny days and resulting shadows cause problems in the end-use data as well, and trying to adjust that again is extremely time-consuming. So given that accuracy is so critically important nowadays with serious projects, LiDAR is becoming the new minimum standard for us in our practice concerning deliverables to end users. Unlike photogrammetry, LiDAR can get through vegetation and be able to get good ground sampling data, which is so important to online survey applications. On a recent project, we were tasked with investigating tree trunks. And the end use with the LiDAR meant that every tree trunk was clearly visible and no blind spots were reported on any of the buildings on the site. All of the files were able to merge onto one single point cloud. And so we have found that with these kinds of scans, it's just delivering more reliable quality data for our end users. Point cloud data is colorized, as you can see, thanks to the RGB sensor that we have on the LiDAR that collects photos at the same time as the LiDAR scan. Digital elevation models can mean volume calculations, slope and flatness analysis, NIR views, terrain modeling, and so on. Thanks for watching, and please give us a call or email at victoriaairphotos.com, and we'd be glad to get our LiDAR services working for your next project.